The story of the Tin Fairy. Long ago, in a small village, there lived a poor blacksmith named Ramlal. He trusted in God and was always ready to help the needy. Every morning he went to the temple, and every evening he performed Senyavandin by the river. After his prayers, he worked with sheets of tin, making utensils, toys, and small things to sell in the market. His wife, Rajvati, was humble and kind. She managed the household chores and also helped her husband in his work. After finishing their tasks, Ramlal would take his handmade goods to the market to sell. The saint's gift. One day, while Ramlal was working, a tired and hungry man came to his door. Without hesitation, Ramlal invited him inside and offered him water, while Rajvati quickly cooked a hot meal. The man revealed, "I am a wandering saint. I have no home. I travel wherever God takes me." That night, the saint stayed with them. While everyone slept, he prayed and chanted. By dawn, a magical sheet of tin appeared in his hands. He gave it to Ramlal and said, "Make a doll from this. It is the fruit of your good deeds." At first, Ramlal refused, but at the saint's insistence, he accepted and set it aside. Soon, he forgot about it. The forgotten promise days later, a villager came and said, "Ramlal, I want to give a doll to my daughter on her birthday. You are the best blacksmith in the village. Please make one for me. I will return tomorrow to collect it." Ramlal agreed, but that night he realized he had no tin left. Worried, he prayed to God. Seeing his distress, Rajvati remembered the magical sheet given by the saint. She brought it to him, and with great care, Ramlal crafted a tiny tin doll. The Tin Fairy appears. But this was no ordinary doll. At midnight, it began to glow softly. To Ramlal and Rajvati's amazement, a beautiful fairy appeared from within. Her wings sparkled like silver, and her voice was as sweet as tinkling bells. She said, "Your hard-working hands have given me life. I am the Tin Fairy. From now on, I will help you. You gave me birth, so you are my guardians. Tell me your problem, and I will solve it." Ramlal explained about the villager's request. With a twinkle of her wings, the fairy turned the doll into the most beautiful one ever made. A secret daughter, Rajvati, with tears in her eyes, asked, "You call us your guardians. Can you also call me mother? For many years, I have longed for a child." The fairy smiled gently. "Yes, Ma, I will call you mother, but promise me never reveal my secret. If anyone finds out, I will have to go away." The next day, when the villager came, he saw the doll and was astonished. He also noticed a young girl, the fairy in ordinary form, and asked about her. Rajvati said, "She is my daughter, who has returned from her uncle's house to live with us." The blacksmith's blessing. From that day on, whenever Ramlal crafted something, the Tin Fairy added her magic. His utensils never broke, his toys brought joy to children, and soon his fame spread across many villages. People believed Ramlal was the most skilled craftsman in the land, but only Ramlal, Rajvati, and the Tin Fairy knew the truth. Yet the fairy gave a second condition. "If you ever stop working hard and rely only on my magic, I will leave you forever." Ramlal promised he would always remain honest and hard-working. True to his word, his effort combined with the fairy's blessing made him the most respected craftsman in the kingdom. Moral: true magic lies in hard work and honesty.